Men care more about how they feel when they're with you than how you look. While your appearance might attract them, what truly keeps them interested is how they feel around you. If you want a man to commit to you, make sure he feels good in your presence. Here are 5 important things you can do to create a stronger, more loving relationship with him. Acceptance. Men don't always hear how amazing they are. Unlike women who often get praised by friends, men are often criticized by their partners, especially when things aren't perfect. The key is to accept your partner for who he is, flaws and all. Don't try to change him, just like you wouldn't want someone pointing out your flaws all the time. Don't do that to him. Accepting him as he is will make him feel truly valued. Appreciation. Men show love through actions. Whether it's fixing something, making you coffee, or helping out, they express their love through deeds. When they do something for you, let them know you appreciate it. Nobody wants to feel taken for granted. By showing your appreciation, you make him feel recognized and valued for what he does. Admiration. Everyone loves a compliment, and men are no exception. Compliments that go beyond looks, like praising his intelligence or his sense of humor, are especially meaningful to men. Compliment him on his qualities and actions, not just his appearance. It will make him feel special and appreciated. Trust is essential in any relationship. If you constantly question his actions or doubt him, it creates distance. You need to trust him unless he gives you a reason not to. Men, like anyone, thrive when they feel trusted and supported. Support. Men often don't have a strong support system like women do. While you can call your friends or family for support, men usually don't have that same outlet. When you offer him emotional support and create a safe space for him to open up, it strengthens your connection. Be his emotional support just as you would for a close friend. These 5 qualities, acceptance, appreciation, admiration, trust, and support, are key to building a stronger, loving relationship. Women naturally excel at these qualities, but sometimes we forget to show them to our partners. By practicing these traits, you'll see how much better your relationship becomes. The more you treat him with these qualities, the better he'll treat you in return.